guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Julie and today I'm going to be tackling this house. I have a large dog, an Akita, and a smaller dog, a Pekingese, and also two children. One of my boys, I have two boys. One of my boys is 7 and one is 4. So my house can get really messy between dog hair and kids' toys and stuff. So today I'm going to be tackling that, getting the dog hair off the couch, off the floors, and just getting ready for the day. So the boys had just ate their cereal and were in the back room playing. So I went ahead and cleaned off their cereal bowls, put those in the sink. Unloaded the dishes from the night before and put away any dishes that were drying beside the sink. Okay y'all, so I had honestly ran out of my Method lavender multi-surface cleaner. I love that stuff so much, but I ran out and I hadn't been back to the store, so I just took some, I think it was a Mr. Clean multi-surface cleaner and diluted it down and put it in the spray bottle and just used it like that. It works just as good, and it also, I believe, claims to kill some bacteria, so that's a plus, y'all. Okay, so I recently got this vacuum. It is the Shark Navigator Liftaway, and I absolutely love it. I did have the Dyson V6 Animal, but in my opinion, with a big dog that sheds as much as my Akita does, the canister just filled up so fast, and felt like I was constantly just having to empty it, and it would get clogged up, and it was just a really big pain. And I ended up just biting the bullet and getting this one, and I have been so happy with this vacuum so far. Like, it is just unbelievable. Like, I thought the Dyson was good, and then I got this, and I was like, man, I've been missing out. Okay, so this is exactly what I mean, y'all. Like, Jesus, take the wheel. We have never had a problem with her getting up on the couch at night, but now, recently, she has been sneaking up on the couch, and it is driving me insane because I wake up and there's dog hair like this all the time, and so I'm constantly vacuuming. But with this vacuum, game changer. It works so good. I definitely recommend it. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on my air purifier. This really helps to get all the dust particles out of the air and all that dog hair that's just probably flying around still. And I am spraying down the furniture with my homemade Febreze. And that's it, y'all. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like it and want to see more cleaning videos like this, please hit the subscribe button down below. I would love to have you come join me. And hit the like button if you like what you see. Alright, bye y'all.